that's how it is. When you tell someone to do something, they don't want to do it, or they give resistance, or they do it their way. Anybody here ever been given a workout routine or a nutritional program from a trainer or from a nutritionist, and if you did it your way, you got your results, and if you did it their way, you would have gotten their results that they wanted for you? How many people are doing it your way all the time? My question is, why? Don't answer that. I don't have the answer. What's that? Because you're choosing a way of being a being. Well, what could be a way of being that you're choosing so you can actually have power? What's that? Happy for yourself? Okay, so what I'm saying is, if you get a routine from your personal trainer, and you do, or your nutritionist say you can have one cheat day, and then you go, I'm going to do it my way and have 3 cheat days. Right, choosing to be, that's what I mean, like choosing to be a know-it-all, choosing to be stubborn, choosing that. Those are ways of being that we choose without even realizing, and then you wonder why we don't get to where we want to go. Does that kind of make sense? Like, are you going to go to your surgeon and tell them, yeah, I don't think you should cut there, you should probably slice over here? No, you're going to let them do it, they're professionals. So it's funny how we do that